When people think about living on Lake Murray, they usually picture million-dollar lake houses, private docks, and a lifestyle that seems completely out of reach. But here's the truth. You do not need $1 million to enjoy Lake Murray. In fact, some of the smartest buyers I work with every year live on or near the lake for a fraction of what most people think it costs. So today I'm going to break down the cheapest ways to live on Lake Murray, what each option actually costs, and where I'd be looking if I wanted lake access without draining my bank account. Let's get into it. The first mistake buyers make is thinking they need waterfront property. You don't. Everybody starts their search saying, I want a house on Lake Murray. What they usually mean is, I want the Lake Murray lifestyle. Those are two very different things. If you insist on waterfront property with your own dock, your budget might need to be $700,000, $1 million, or significantly more depending on location. But if your goal is simply boating, fishing, kayaking, sunsets, and enjoying the lake, there are much more affordable options. And honestly, for a lot of people, they're the better value. One of the cheapest ways to get directly on the lake is through a condo. A lot of people overlook condos because they're focused on single-family homes, but some Lake Murray condo communities offer community docks, boat ramps, pools, water views, maintenance-free living, and many times the price point is dramatically lower than a waterfront house. You'll occasionally find condos around Lake Murray starting in the low to mid $200,000 depending on market conditions and location. Now you'll have HOA fees, that's the trade-off, but when you compare those fees to maintaining a dock, seawall, boat storage, and waterfront property, the math starts making sense for a lot of buyers. This is where I think most buyers should start. Water access communities are neighborhoods that aren't directly on the lake, but provide community boat ramps, community docks, lake access areas, boat storage in some cases. The difference in price between a waterfront home and a home in a water access neighborhood can easily be hundreds of thousands of dollars. Let me say that again, hundreds of thousands of dollars. You can often buy a much newer, larger house with better finishes while still having access to Lake Murray. For many buyers, that's the sweet spot. You get the lifestyle without paying the waterfront premium. Most buyers automatically focus on Chapin because it's known for Lake Murray. And Chapin is great, but because everybody knows it's great, prices often reflect that. Sometimes buyers can find better value by looking at areas around Lexington, Ballantyne, Irmo, or other communities surrounding the lake. The key is being flexible. The buyer who says, I have to be in this exact neighborhood usually pays more. The buyer who says, I just want easy access to Lake Murray usually finds the better deal. Here's the option most people never consider. Live near Lake Murray, not on it, not in a lake access community, just close. There are plenty of neighborhoods within 5 to 10 minutes of public boat ramps where you can buy significantly more house for your money. If you're the type of person who goes boating on weekends but spends most of your week working, this option can make a lot of financial sense. I've had buyers save hundreds of thousands of dollars simply by moving a few miles away from the shoreline. And guess what? They're still on the lake every weekend. If I were buying on a budget and wanted to enjoy Lake Murray, I'd probably start with a water access community. You get the best balance of value and lifestyle. You can still keep a boat. You can still enjoy the lake. You can still tell your friends you live at Lake Murray, but you're not paying the premium that comes with owning waterfront property. That's usually where the smartest money goes. The biggest takeaway from this video is simple. Don't confuse living on Lake Murray with enjoying Lake Murray. Those are two very different price points. The good news is there are still affordable ways to enjoy one of the best lakes in the Southeast without spending a fortune. If you're considering Lake Murray and want to know which neighborhoods offer the best value right now, give us a call. My team and I have helped thousands of buyers and sellers across the Midlands, including Lake Murray, Chapin, Lexington, Irmo, and Columbia. We know these neighborhoods inside and out, and will help you find the option that makes the most sense for your budget and lifestyle. And if there's another Lake Murray topic you'd like us to cover next, drop it in the comments below. We'll see you in the next one.